Hello everyone and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I will be featuring the September card kit by Simon Says. This kit is called Sunshine Flowers. It includes a wide variety of hand-selected coordinating supplies, enough to keep you creating for hours. Included in the box is an inspiration sheet with 6 ideas using the kit. Let's unbox this month's card kit and take a look at all the amazing products included in the kit. Before we get into the unboxing, please hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my videos, and stay tuned for some interesting cards I create using this kit in my future videos. Let us now take a look at the Sunshine Flowers September card kit from Simon Says. What we see first here in the box is a very cool roll of washi tape from the Holtz Idea-ology collection. This box contains 8 rolls of rose design tapes. Let's pull out the contents of the kit. Just take a look at all the beautiful products. This kit is called Sunshine Flowers. In the box is the happy birthday die. This is a perfect size happy birthday sentiment for my A2 size cards, and I love the font. Well, I love getting dies with my card making supplies. It sometimes makes my work so much more easier since I'm not a big fan of fussy cutting. Here is a bottle of liquid pearls from Ranger. Well, this is the first time that I'll be trying out the liquid pearls. In the past, I have used Nuvo drops, but this is something new and very much fascinating to me. And I can't wait to try it out on my project. I mean, just take a look at the color and sheen. It's copper. These are the Holtz Idea-ology sentiment label stickers. These would not only go with your cards, but will also be perfect for your journals and planners. There is an assortment of 68 labels, which look and feel like vinyl labels with raised and embossed lettering for some texture to your finished creation. We have 3 of the A2 size envelopes here: doll pink, white, and metallic green leaf. Take a look at the sparkle and shimmer on the metallic green leaf envelope. All these envelopes come with a sticky self-seal, which allows you to simply pull the seal and press close. Now here's a pack of 6x6 papers from a company called P13, and this pack is called the 4 Seasons Summer. Let's flip through the pages and take a look at all the beautiful designs. This paper pad is so beautiful and has such a vintagey look to it. Going with the sunshine theme, I love the yellows and the greens and all the distress looks on the pattern paper. Also, the flower patterns will make for amazing backgrounds and focal points for our cards. Even though these pattern papers have a very subtle and vintagey look, the colors and the patterns on these papers are so bright and intense. Look at that. Well, that's definitely a card front. Oh, now I'm confused. I love this design as well as look at how gorgeous the other side is. This too can be made into a card front. Well, this is the reason I don't prefer having double-sided paper pads. It becomes so much difficult to choose. Everything looks just so pretty. Here's another design I plan on using as my card front. Well, I'm not very happy leaving the green background on the other side, but the beautiful floral pattern will make a perfect focal point for my card. Not only the 6 pattern papers, but also let's make use of these small patterns on the front and back of the booklet. Let's fuzzy cut these images for some fun cards. Now for the main attraction of this month's card kit. We've got 2 huge 6x8 stamp sets. The first one is called Sunflower Garden. Look at the big sunflower stamp. This one can be used as a background, fuzzy cutted to make a border or a focal point. There are so many different ways we could use this stamp set. The sentiments here are so gorgeous. The font on the Happy Birthday sentiment looks very much similar to the Happy Birthday die which I showed you in the very beginning. We will have to see in the future videos how they will go together. Next is a Sunshine Flower stamp set by Simon Says Stamp. This set has some beautiful flowers and bouquets. Look at the blooms inside the little mason jar with a cute little sentiment ribbon. The miss you and the thank you sentiment will fit perfectly inside the ribbon. I love how the block sentiments almost look exactly similar to those sentiments on the label sticker. Here is the information sheet which has tons of inspiration and a side note on all the items that are included in the kit. You can also check out the link in the description box for more card ideas and inspirations posted by a few amazing designers and crafters on the Simon Says Stamp blog page. Now let's take a look at the 4 big cardstocks. We have 3 100-pound cardstocks from Simon Says Stamp, Doll Pink, which is same as the envelope, Green Leaf. Oh, this is similar to the metallic green leaf envelope, and Sunshine, the yellow sunshine. We also have a 110-pound Neenah Solar White cardstock. Oops, how did I miss this glue stick? Here we have the Simon Says Stamp Ultra Smooth Craft glue stick. I generally use some kind of liquid glue or just a double-sided tape. This is something I used as a kid in school for my craft projects. It will definitely be fun to see how this works for our cards. Once again, here's a look at all the products I got in the Sunshine Flowers September card kit from Simon Says Stamp. This is just my second card kit and I can't wait to start creating a bunch of cards using this beautiful Sunshine Flowers card kit. Thank you so much for watching today's video. All the supplies will be found linked in the description box below. I'll see you back with some fun cards that I will be creating using this card kit. I would love for you to become a subscriber to my channel, and if you do subscribe or are already a subscriber, please make sure to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the next time I post a video. Hit the like button and let me know in the comments down below if you have any ideas or suggestions. Also, if you like to share your creations, please tag me on Instagram at rp_shutterbug. There's a link to that in the description box below. Here are a couple of other videos that you might be interested in watching. Thank you again for joining me today, and until next time, stay safe.